Ever feel like reality's been brewing for a while? Or maybe you've had to politely say no thanks. What if you could sum those moments up with just two idioms? Welcome to Learn English with Mandla. Let's get into our two idioms. First, wake up and smell the coffee. This is your wake up call. We say this when someone needs to get real and see what's actually going on. For example, when your friend ignores clear warning signs about a deal, you might say, wake up and smell the coffee. Second, not my cup of tea. This is a classic polite way to say something just isn't for you. No offense, just not your vibe. For example, if you're invited to a heavy metal concert and you'd rather relax with some soft jazz, you could say it's not my cup of tea. Have you ever had to tell someone it's time to face reality or gracefully decline something that just wasn't for you? So do think about this, like real life moments, about these two idioms. Next up, I have a role play. Please listen and repeat along.
I know you're excited about this new investment, but don't you think it's time you wake up and smell the coffee?
Dialogue 1.
I'm going to invest in that miracle product they're hyping online.
Maybe you should wake up and smell the coffee. There's a lot of hype and very little substance there.
Thanks for the offer, but that event isn't really my cup of tea. I'd rather do something else.
Dialogue 2.
Everyone's excited about rock climbing this weekend.
I appreciate the invite, but rock climbing is not really my cup of tea. I'd prefer a quiet activity.
I hope you heard those two idioms between those two dialogues. Great. Quiz time. Let's see how well you've brewed these idioms into your vocabulary. So this is a multiple choice question for wake up and smell the coffee. Which situation fits this idiom best? 1, a friend is ignoring clear evidence of a problem. 2, you politely decline an invitation. 3, you order coffee at a cafe. Wake up and smell the coffee. That's right, it's 1. Next question, how about for not my cup of tea? When would you use this phrase? 1, to suggest that you're too busy to help. 2, when something doesn't suit your taste. Or 3, to praise an excellent idea. So this one is for not my cup of tea. Yeah, that's right. 2, when something just doesn't suit your style. Which one of these idioms do you think become part of your everyday vocabulary? Share a real life situation where you could use it. Remember, wake up and smell the coffee is for those moments when reality needs to be faced. And not my cup of tea lets you express your personal taste without offense. Have you tried using one of these idioms in real life? Tell me how it went in the comments. I'd love to hear your story. Remember to keep practicing and subscribe for more fun and interactive lessons every week.